Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to recreate the Google Chrome logo in Adobe Illustrator. To start, open a new Illustrator file, go to File and Place, and select the logo. Make sure to check the template option before placing it. After clicking Place, you'll need to resize the template to fit your workspace. Hold Alt and Shift together to scale down the template uniformly. Simply adjust the size as needed before you begin tracing the logo. Once you've resized it, lock the template layer to prevent any accidental movement during the design process. Select the ellipse tool or press the shortcut key LL to choose it, then draw a circle. Hold down Shift and Scroll while dragging to create a perfect circle. Press Ctrl C to copy the circle, then press Ctrl F to paste it in front. Hold Shift and Alt while scaling down the circle to match the inner circle accurately. Copy the circle again, paste it in front, and scale it to fit. Next, select the Line tool and draw the line. Then, choose the Rotation tool, hold Alt, and click the center of the circle. A pop-up box will appear. Enter a rotation value of 120 and press Copy. After that, press Ctrl D to duplicate the line one more time. Now our Google Chrome logo is ready. It's time to apply the colors. I will already selected the color samples for the Google Chrome logo. Now we just need to apply them. Select all the outlines of the logo, then choose the Shape Builder tool. Change the fill color as needed. To fill each shape, first select the desired color. Then click on the areas of the logo where you want to apply that color. Follow this process to fill in all the shapes with their corresponding colors. Hold the Alt key to remove any unwanted lines or shapes. Simply click on the areas you want to delete, and they will be removed from the design. Alright, that's how you can recreate the Google logo in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.